Now, in this video, the previous video that I did, we showed how to download Geyser, so you should have that downloaded already. If not, see the previous video. Now, to use TAPPS, what you would need to do is send a text message to the 850-888-8843 and text your keywords. So for this instance, I'm using DeMars right now. I don't think he'll mind. And then it'll send you a link back. Now it'll take just a sec. You click the link once it comes through. Now this is what we call the admin side. Now, as you can see here, there's more tiles because DeMar has more control over things, which we won't go into. But yours will show the presentation, level of interest, as well as Android or Geyser screen share, depending on which one you have. Now, for this case, this is the admin side. Now, currently right now, we have to use it through the Geyser app, and I'll show you why. So if I click this, it'll sit there and load for a minute. Now, why that's doing that, you'll want to make sure you have any future prospect or anyone text that same keyword to that number and then have them click it. Now, it'll pop up the client side. Now, I'm showing you this because it doesn't work through TAPPS right now. I'm trying to get that integrated so that Geyser will directly link to it. Don't hesitate or anything because it's still a useful tool. TAPPS is. So currently right now what you would need to do is actually go over to your Geyser, and then once you've got this, you would click your if you want to do the demo, let it load, and then you would make sure you hit start. Now if you want to be able to use it through TAPPS, what you would need to do is send over this website to me at whereiamneeded@gmail.com so that I can log into your account and be able to integrate that so that it does it. Now I'm going to go back here. So as you can see, this is live right now through Geyser. Now all you have to do is on your app demo side, you would need them to click the app demo. Now it loads right then. So now you can do the presentation or whatever you might need to do. Now, the other cool thing is you would just need to go out and go back in. Now, this again, admin side. So I'm going to go back here. Now, if you want to do a MPP presentation, Mobile Pocket, which I'm currently in the process of getting the new one loaded in and all that, so be patient with that. You'll click presentation. Now as you can see, you've got these three tiles here. You'll have them click the presentation, and then when you click this slide here, it'll pop up on their end. Now it takes just a sec. So this is the presentation, and as you go through each one, it'll just go through and show which one you're viewing right there. And then you just do the presentation that you normally would. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go back here. Show you a few other things here. So we're back to the admin side. Now there are a few things here that you should know as far as going. I apologize, my internet, it's not TAPPS itself, it's my internet here. I'm not going to get on side topic as far as internet goes, but it's my internet, so I apologize. So this is the client side. Now, one thing you would need to do on yours, you do have this TAPPS tool feature also. So as you can see here, my virtual V card, right here, you would need to go into edit V card and input your information there. That way, if they ever click that, it'll download your information straight to their phone, which is a slick feature where you don't have to send it to them or anything like that. You've got the I need your information, which is where they would fill out the information and then it would be sent straight to you, which is fantastic. You've got the SOC One Touch if they want to sign up and use it. You've got the 4 types of people here. Now, for this, if it's not integrated already, I know a lot of you were having issues with the Mars transferring over. That's the clone. So what you would need to do is send me your Send Out Cards email address. Send Out Cards web ID so that I can get it inputted into one of these so that when they click it, it goes to it. The other thing is you've got conference line. Don't worry about that. APA BizRunner. For those that are using BizRunner, you would need to send me your address information to get that input. Watch my video. We're still trying to figure that out. And that's all for the client side. Now you have access to the client side too, so that you can walk them through. That little lock button up there will switch you back and forth. But the main thing you need to focus on is the presentation and then your screen share, which I should have that hopefully fixed by, I'm thinking, the end of this week or first of next week. There's still a little hiccups, but don't worry about it. TAPPS is still a phenomenal system because it's like Damar said, it's like a toolbox with everything right there where you don't have to take things or do anything like that, and it's all integrated into it. So hopefully this helps. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call the 850-8888-8843 or email me at whereIamneeded@gmail.com. It's a bit of a tongue twister, but if you got any questions, don't hesitate to email me or call. Thanks. Bye.